Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Audi Q5 S Line. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 249 brake horsepower. This car also has the Quattro 4-wheel drive system as well, so ideal for the winter months, and returns up to 40 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 32, and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with full service history. This stunning colour is the metallic Navarra Blue and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the typical Audi build quality, so everything feels really nice and solid. Being the S Line, you also have the sports seat here with the half leather outer edge, and front passengers have the armrest and two cup holders there in the centre. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has heated front seats, as well as climate control, cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being an SUV, really practical for the family, so nice raised driving position, lots of legroom and headroom in the back there. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own control over the centre air vents there, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Audi too. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you've got the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats, and then underneath the boot floor you also have a subwoofer there for your sound system. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.